I'm Jenny Del Pozo, and this is a great ab routine that I have for you here, all with the stability ball. If you don't have one of these, you could absolutely use like a pillow, a blanket, anything there. And make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get started. Come on down to your mat. You're gonna take the ball and bring it to like right below the tips of your shoulder blades. And hold it there. I'm gonna start our timer too. So we got 5 minutes here, okay? So feet are hip width apart. You're rounding back on the ball. Now watch that there. I wanna make sure that you're not arching over the ball. You're pulling the ribs back into the ball. Then you get to reach the arms forward. Now, this is a really nice spot to like start in, but if you can, if it's a little bit more available to you, it's a little bit more challenging with the hands behind the head. So pick your poison, do what you want. You can always change it up halfway through, right? From here, we're just gonna crunch this up and down. It's up and down. And I want you to think here, as you're moving, you're trying not to necessarily like pop up off of the ball. You're really pulling back to curl up. Down and up. Down, up. Feel those low abs trying to pull in and up as well as you're working here. 5 more. And up. 4, 3, and 2. Yes, last one. You hold it here. Pull the ribs back into the ball a little bit more. From here, little crunches up and up. And I want you to, again, really focus on those low abs pulling in and up. It's up. Arms can reach forward when you need. Give me 8 more. Go 6. Go 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Float one leg up to tabletop. Again, arms where you want them. Reach everything away and then pull everything in. Reach it away and in. It's out and in. I want you to feel the knee pulling towards your nose, the nose towards the knee, all because of those low abs pulling in and up. A little bit more. Give me 3 more. Go 2. Last one, you add a twist. So you're gonna reach everything away, twist towards the leg. Reach and twist. Reach, wrap. I know you're feeling this. Yes. Reach and wrap it. Give me 4 more. 3, 2. Hold it up and over. Hold it there, right here. Little tiny pulses. You pulse it in and in. In. Go for 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down for a second there. If it feels good, you can roll up the ball a little bit. Let's check our time. Oh yeah, we're perfect. And you can kind of arch over that ball there. Oh, if that doesn't feel good, just sit all the way up tall and give it a little break, okay? Oh, that feels so nice there. Okay, enough niceness. Let's go ahead and get into that second side. So the ball, again, just adjust it back right below the tips of the shoulder blades. Bring the opposite leg up, arms where you need them. Let's play. Reach everything away. Pull it in. Reach and in. Reach, in. Good here. Go for 4 more. 3, 2. Last one, you add a twist right here. So you reach and twist it. Reach, wrap it. Now the hands can always come to a little prayer position in front if you need a little break on that neck there. 4 more. Get it. 3 more. Go 2. Last one. Hold it up and over. Little pulses. Pulse it. Get it. Almost there. Give me 4. Go 3, 2, 1. You bring it back down. Round it back again. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, one last thing here on this ball. So you can see how like a pillow would work just perfectly here too. You just want something to kind of round into, so that way you're already in flexion, already working that core. Arms come behind the head or across the chest. From here, we circle. So you're gonna circle to the side, down, side, up. Stay to the same direction. Yes, I'm gonna check that time. Oh yes, it's perfect. Go for 4. Try to keep the knees nice and still for 3, 2. Last one. Hold it at the top, reverse it. Side, down, side. It's like the best burn feeling ever happening here. I know, I need to get out more, but I love this. Go for 3 more here, 3 more. Yes, go for 2. Last one. Hold it, reach the arms forward. Little pulses to finish here for 8, 7, 6. Feel that core nice and hot here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Round it back again. Take that stretch. Curl it all the way back up. Woo! And those abs are feeling it. I know. Make sure, again, if you're liking these workouts, subscribe below, and then check out and in the details. I all commented this all out for you. I already set up these workouts for you and set them up so you got nice 15-minute workouts if you want them. Let's go again soon.